system across the island here just to make sure it works, and if it needs to be used at any point in time during hurricane as it gets closer and closer here to islands like Oahu. It's just, where does that center come? You know, it's, I don't want to say it's anybody's guess, because we have a decent idea, at least over the course of the cone of uncertainty, if you will, but there's no guarantee it makes a very abrupt left. There's no guarantee that it comes straight north. It could do a variety of different things, and so what we're urging you to do is prepare for a worst-case scenario in a place like Honolulu, where a majority of Hawaii's population is. And what you see behind me is Waikiki Beach and Diamond Head, a beautiful Diamond Head crater behind me. It's the south tip there of Waikiki. And for so many people, they're always worried about, well, what's going to happen to our pristine... There you hear it. Can you hear that? There's actually a siren right there. So they're doing a test right now. Just a test. And I'm making sure that everything is working properly, but you hear the alarm very clearly, nice and loud, and a lot of the different warning systems that they have, some of them are also voice capable, so instructions will come over the sirens to let you know specific instructions if you need them. They also have the text message system that they have here, where you can get a text message on your phone and alert you to specific dangers that could be related to Hurricane Lane. But they're running the test right now. Nice, loud siren. You can hear that a long distance from where we are. Down the beach, I would suspect a solid mile, if not more than that. But again, running the test of the sirens right now here in Oahu, doing an island-wide test right now. So all of the sirens will alarm simultaneously across the island. And again, it's to alert people of impending danger, and in this case, it would likely be something that would be related to Hurricane Lane. But if you're hearing it right now, or you're watching us on TV, and you're thinking, what is that sound? It's just a test. They wanted to make sure everything was working before Lane got any closer, and we can, of course, confirm here, at least at Waikiki Beach, that this particular siren is indeed working. And they spin, by the way, so when it gets louder, it means it's pointed right at us, okay? So, folks, when it comes to this hurricane, take it seriously. Consider two things specifically, okay? Consider that flood risk and what your risk to your home and your neighborhood is going to be, and consider what the wind/power outage risk is going to be as well. Each island has its own grid, and so that helps to some degree. And each island then be responsible for bringing itself online, so the whole island isn't responsible for, isn't on one grid, and the whole grid goes down, and all the islands go down at one time. So do you have flashlights? Do you have extra batteries? Do you have ways to charge your cell phone? Do you have access maybe to internet information, or just a phone to make calls on